Hello friends, in this video tutorial let us see the concept of SparkLines in SSRS. So for this let us go to SSDT. Now we have a blank report which does not contain any tablix or any chart control, right? So now let us go and see the data set. The data set is a simple query which gets region, item sold, month name and month number from total sale table. Okay. Now let us go to toolbox. Let us add a matrix to our report. Now let us view data for region wise items sold. Okay, so the basic report will look like this. Okay, now the reason why we add SparkLine. Okay, so first of all let me just go and add another column to the right. Let me name this as SparkLine. Okay, now the reason why we add SparkLine to our existing tabular report, okay, is to see kind of trend in the underlying data in the column itself. Okay, in this case the underlying data for which we would like to see the trend is the item sold. The value is 10, 19 and 11. Now what if we want to see the month wise trend in this data, which is the measured data like 10, 19, 11. Now these are only numbers. What if we want to understand the trend behind these numbers, right? Then we can use something called SparkLine or data bars, right? In our last video tutorial we have already seen data bars. So in this video tutorial let us see SparkLines. So now let us resize the SparkLine. Okay, let us provide proper space to display data to graph over here. Let us go and insert a SparkLine. Now we can have many options when it comes to SparkLine. It's okay, so these are the different types of SparkLines that we can add. So in this case let us add a line. So if we see let us go and define the data that we want to see. Okay, so let us see item sold as per month name, right? Okay, now let us go and provide sorting as per month number. Okay, so that it comes properly, and let us give show data labels, right? So now it shows data, right? Now we want to see the month names also. So let us go and select the label. Let us go and month name, right? Let us go and put a month name as the field to be shown. Okay, now we are able to see for May, between May and June the trend is rising, right? Between March to April also the trend is going up, whereas from March to April for North America the trend is going down. Now the user may also like to see the exact data. Okay, now using this SparkLine user can now see the trend within the underlying data, right? But now what if the user also wants to see the exact data values? Then we can go and select the series, right click the series properties. Let's say we want to see the data values as part of tooltip. So go over here, okay, and sum. Okay, so now if you go and preview, then for May user knows that between May and June the data was having an uptrend, but what is the exact value? So in May it was 2, in June it is 8. Similarly for Europe, in March it is 2, in April it is 17. For North America the trend was downwards, right? But what is the exact values? So March was 5, April was 3 and June is 3 again. Okay, so in this way a user can quickly come to know the underlying trend in the data with the help of SparkLines within the tabular chart itself as part of a column. Okay, now let us see something else also. We can change the SparkLine type also, right? So from line kind of a SparkLine we can maybe show pie chart also. Okay, so if you see, then the user can quickly come to know that for Asia most of the sales came in June, for Europe most of the sales came in April, and for North America the sales were almost same in April, July and March, whereas the March sales were more and their value is 5. Okay, so in this way the data can be quickly analyzed, or the underlying trend can be quickly known by the user with the help of SparkLines within the tabular data itself, okay, as part of a column. Now if you want to display full chart, that also can be done. You can just provide more space to the graph and then say convert to full chart. If you don't want the title, if you want to save the space, delete the title. Okay, and now you are able to see a proper full graphs also as part of the tabular data with the help of SparkLines. So I hope friends this video tutorial on SparkLine is useful to you. Thank you.